All right, friends, we're going to make another finger puppet. We're going to make a paper fishy finger puppet. Now, this one is a little bit easier than the sewing project. So if you don't have any sewing items at home, you can still make a fishy with some paper and some markers or some crayons or pencils. And if you have tape or staples, you can use either, or you can even use glue. All right, so let me show you how we're gonna make our fishy finger puppet. So I have a piece of paper. If you have paper with this little edges, make sure you just cut that off. And make sure you're getting help from an adult. So we want our paper to be kind of a square. So I'm going to cut that, and you see how it's kind of square? Square means it's the same on this edge as this edge and this edge. They're all the same. See how this one has a longer edge and a shorter edge? That one's a rectangle. So we want a square. All right, so I am going to take my square and fold it in half. Fold it in half. And here's the fun part. We're going to make a fishy. You're going to draw a fishy. So I'm going to take, let's see, one of my markers, and you can start with a pencil, you can start with a marker, you can start with a crayon, anything you have at home to make a fishy. Now let's see, I want to make my fishy kind of let's see, I'm going to make him look a little bit like an eyeball shape. So I started off with an eyeball shape. Then I think I want him to have a short little tail. This one's going to have a short little fishy tail. Give him a little tail. And let's see, I want him to have a couple of fins. This is how it helps him swim. He's got a little fin on the side. And this one kind of thinks he's a shark, so I'm going to give him a fin up on top also, kind of like he's a shark. All right, and then we have to decorate our fishy. So let's see, I'm going to give him some orange squiggles. He's going to look a little bit, I think, like Nemo, because he's got some orange and white squiggles. And I'm going to fill in these squiggles. And you can use one color, you can use 7 colors, you can use any colors you think. Because if you can imagine the colors that are on your fish, I bet there is an actual fish that has those colors. So you can color your fish any color you want to. You can make a green fish. You can make, let's see, a fish with purple polka dots. You can make a rainbow fish. There are even rainbow fishes. All right, I'm going to give him a little squiggle on his fin. And let's see, I think his tail should have a little squiggle. Let's see, some there. Let's give him one more little squiggle, I think, right here. And the last thing, I think our fish should be able to see. What do you think? So I'm going to give him a little bit of an eye. All right, there's our fishy. What do you think? Now, you can also decorate the other side. So you can have the front and back of your fish, or you can have 2 different fish, which is fun. But I'm just going to stop there so that we can finish making our fish. So you can either, if you have a stapler at home, you can staple this side and this side, and that will keep our fish friend closed. You can use glue, but you do need to make sure the glue dries all the way. I'm going to use just a little bit of tape. So I have tape. I'm going to tape this side closed, and I'm going to tape this side closed. And don't tape the bottom closed. That's where your finger goes. I'm going to put my finger in there, and ta-da! I have a fishy finger puppet. I'm going to name him Fred. All right, Fred, swim away.